Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing here. Got myself a new controller. Look at that, I got the Radiolink, guys. Nothing else in the box. Let's see what's inside. I like the case. It's one of the things I do like about this radio. Gives you the book. So you can look through it. I'm gonna see if I can find the English version part of it and read up on it. Let's see what's in this box first, huh? Probably all your cables and stuff like that. Oh, so it does come with a couple different batteries options. 6 AAA plugs in the bottom with a JST plug, and then you got a lanyard, which these are all right. They're pretty good. They're pretty long. They're not too bad. And then you got your for your battery. You plug this in between your batteries and your ESC and plug this into the receiver, and it'll tell you how much battery life you have left. USB cable to update your firmware, which you need to do right away when you get this. Couple Allen wrenches, plus a new trigger. It's supposed to be like a little bigger trigger, I guess, for you. And then it's a 2mm and a 1.5mm. And then a nice little screen protector. That's cool. So, comes with some pretty good stuff. And then, that'll be cool. Be a nice storage to bring your radio with you everywhere. And then let's see what this is. You get a couple receivers, I think. Yeah, this is the R8FG with gyro in it. The G's on these stand for gyro. And this is a 2.0 version. So it's like a middle version. It's not the newest one. The newest one is 2.1. And I'll be getting a couple of those receivers too. Or at least one to start off to put in my race car. And then it comes with the R4FGM. So this has also got a gyro in it. Both of these do, so that's pretty cool. And they're not very big. It looks big, but it's not. It's, you know, it'll fit in pretty much almost every receiver box, except for the little tiny ones. And this is supposed to get good long range too, so there's those, and this is what, yeah, look at this bad boy. What is that? Oh, it's just a, look at that bad boy. It's actually pretty heavy. It's not heavy, but it's pretty, because it's got the battery in it already. So it does come with a 1700 milliamp 2S LiPo. Fits in there pretty good. You can probably find one that fits in there even better. I know a couple of guys that have bigger ones in there. So let's just keep that out for now, because I do need to charge it. I'm not going to turn this on. This is just kind of a quick unboxing. There it goes. Okay. So yeah, you got buttons on the left, which you can take this off and you can put it actually on this side. So you can make it left-handed or right-handed if you wanted to. It's got a button here. I say so you can hit yourself in the belly. You got a knob here. And then you got another knob here, which this one is you can feel it click. So this one's a positioner, and this one's just a, you don't feel any clicks in this one. But this one just keeps spinning. You got a thumb real quick. Then you got your 2, 3, 4 buttons here. These go into. They go left and right and back and forward. So, oh no, they just go left and right and down. So we'll have to see how those ones work. So there you go. That's that is fancy. Let's see. Let's see if they left us any juice in here. And make sure you plug this thing in right, guys. You don't want to plug your battery in wrong. Positive, okay. Let's see, I just want to see it light up once. Welcome to Radiolink. See, look at that. Our steering shows all that, your timer. I think you start it, then stop it. That's pretty cool for when you're racing around the track and you're doing practice. The race, the track's not always on. It doesn't tell you how fast you're going or how long it took to do the lap. You can do that. So then you just stop it and then clear it. That's pretty cool. Then you have your throttle trim is this one. That's how this one's set. And this one's your brake rate. Steering trim. This one's not set up to know. Oh, yeah, it is. What's this one set up to? Oops. Yeah, this one's not. Oh, radio switch. I don't know what that's set up for, but yeah. See, right now it's not showing I have anything set up. So radio, that's your home screen. So you click on that and it shows all this other stuff. So you can click on the radio, channel reverse, endpoint, sub trim, channel setting, channel eliminator, trim. Yeah, this thing's got tons of stuff in it, guys. It's gonna take a while to figure it all out. So you can do your mixing, 4-wheel steer mixing, gyro mixing, brake mixing, steering mixing, tank mixing, programmable mixing, tilt mixing. So you could probably run like construction equipment with this thing too. It's got all the mixing you need. Tools, timer, rollout chart. What is this one? Model select. So you probably come in here and select model, copy, paste, model row, rename. That's your memory card. So there is a memory card in here, guys. It looks like you can do a screenshot too. Right here. You pull this off and you got your microchip in here. So you can do that. That's how you would update it too. You can update it through that. You do have all this other stuff over here. Let's see. So it looks like a headphone jack, a USB port, which you would use your USB for, right? And I think you can even use this one for, these are just screws. So you can pull this cover off and put it on this side when you're done and pull these knobs off and back and vice versa. And DSC, not sure what that one is. Are they for like your long range and stuff like that is what those are for. You can adjust your throttle. Your steering feels really good, I think. I think the throttle even feels pretty good myself. Everything feels nice and tight. It's not loose. You do an update so you can get the newest firmware, and then you can get the 2.1 versions of these are fast, like 3 seconds or 0.03 seconds or something like that. I forget exactly what they are. And you can get it like that to where it's faster for your like race cars, which I want to put one of these in my race cars. So I'm probably going to use this because it's easier to see because of the backlight rather than my Noble 4. It's really hard to see outside. And then you have to pay for a Pro, which is like, you know, $500, $600. So those little things don't do nothing. I'm just seeing if anything else was touchscreen here except for that timer. But I thought maybe you could switch. That's cool. You can change the brake rate. So it'll help you slow down or the stronger the brakes and all that just right from the controller now. Gyro, this is for the gyro. It says gyro gain. That's what this one's set up for. Yeah, 120. That's off. Okay, so there you go, guys. Just quick unboxing. Well, then we're gonna test this out. I'm gonna go do an update on it. I'm not gonna show that. There's a few updates already. You can go check out XLK's, I believe, does one, and Radiolink has one on their YouTube channel. There's a few other ones out there too. It's just it's a little bit of pain. I'm not good at that kind of stuff, so it's going to take me a little while to figure this out. So there you go, guys. My new radio. Woohoo! Looks fancy, guys. Can't wait to try it out and put a couple of these in the cars and switch over the ones that I do have. So, and then yeah, for all the anything for the RC4G and RC46, the receivers will work. So all the receivers that worked on this controller, RC6 GS, will work on this one. Okay, so I'm still going to keep that one for, I think, my long range. That's probably what I'll use that one for. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see once I start getting used to this one. Is what's going to be cool. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Hit that bell for reminders for more coming up. So y'all have a good day.